In last lecture, we discuss reproductive system of male and female leech. So, copulation. What is mean by copulation? In leech, cross fertilization is a rule. Copulation takes place in the months of March and April. Copulation means male and female organs when meet together, which is known as copulation. In leech, cross fertilization is a rule. Then copulation takes place in the months of March and April. Which months copulation takes place? In the months of March and April. During copulation, two leeches come in contact with their ventral surface. Both leeches are pointing in opposite directions, so that the male aperture of each is opposite the female aperture of the other. During copulation, two leeches come in contact with their ventral surfaces. Which surface? Ventral surface. Both the leeches are pointing in opposite direction. Both leeches points in opposite direction, so that the male aperture of each is opposite the female aperture of the other. Then the penis of each leech is inserted in the female genital aperture of the other leech. So the spermatophores are transferred to the vagina. Thus, mutual exchange of seminal fluid, sperms takes place. Copulation may occur on land or in water for about 1 hour, and then they get separated. Copulations, what time requires for copulation? For about 1 hour, and then they get separated. Fertilization is internal in leech and it occurs in vagina. Fertilizations occurs in vagina, and which is internal. The development of fertilized ova occurs in cocoon. Development of fertilized ova occurs in cocoon. So what is cocoon formation? During breeding season, clitelium develops around segments 9 to 11. Last lecture we discussed about clitelium. Clitelium is the wall which contains some fluids, helps for reproduction. The gland cells of clitelium secrete a frothy girdle which hardens to form cocoon. That frothy girdle helps for formation of cocoon. The clitellar gland secrete albumin into the cocoon, which provides nourishment to the developing embryo. That clitellar gland secrete albumin into the cocoon, which provides nourishments, means that nourish the developing embryo. Then fertilized ova are released into the cocoon. Then fertilized ova release into the cocoon. Finally, leech withdraws its body through cocoon, which is then passed over its head. As the leech withdraws its anterior end by rhythmic movements from the cocoon, the two ends are closed by polar plugs secreted by prostomial glands. During plug formation, initially anterior plug is secreted, we seal the anterior end of cocoon, and then posterior plug secreted, we seal the posterior end of cocoon. The two anterior and posterior plugs forms poles of cocoon, hence commonly called as polar plugs, because which were contain anterior and posterior plugs. The cocoon is barrel shaped. Barrel shaped cocoon is present, so it measures about 25 to 30 mm in length and 12 to 15 mm in diameter. The process of cocoon formation takes about 6 hours. Here requires 6 hours for cocoon formation. The cocoons are always laid in moist place by the side of pond or pool, but never in water. Cocoons are always stored in moist place by the side of a pond or pool, but never in water, not present in water. The development of young leech takes place within the cocoon. Development of young leech takes place inside the cocoon. In a cocoon, there may be 1 to 24 embryos. How many embryos? 1 to 24 embryos present in a cocoon. The albumin which is stored inside the cocoon serves as food for the developing embryo. Albumin helps for embryo formations, which provide nourishment to the embryo. That is the food of embryo. Development is direct, therefore no larval stages involved. Which larva of leech is? Tocophore larva is the larva of leech. So here is not formation of larva. here it contain direct development. At the time of hatching, polar plugs are removed and the young leaves come out of the cocoon. The development takes about 14 days. How many days required for the cocoon new leech formation? 14 days required for the formation of new ones. So it is all about cocoon formation and the copulation.